Good day to you. This is part 55 of sales training program. I am Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. The second step, remember, you do not sell a product or a service. You sell a solution to a problem or the satisfaction of a genuine need. You must initially find the person who has the problem or the need. Only then can you begin talking about helping her get the benefits of what you are selling. The third step. Third, the prospects want to be assured that your visit will be short. People are extremely busy today. They become nervous and negative if they think that someone is going to take up a lot of their time. You must therefore assure them right away that you are only going to take up a couple of minutes to tell them about the benefit you have mentioned in your opening question. The fourth step, the prospects want to be sure that she will be pleased under no obligation if she meets with you. This is why you say, I have something to show you and you can judge for yourself. This takes the pressure off the prospect and often determines whether you get the appointment in the first place. The fifth step, the prospects want to be sure that you will not use high pressure. The two most common fears of prospects with regard to salespeople are the fear of being pressured and the fear of being taken advantage of. By approaching the prospect with a positive, polite, and friendly attitude, you take these fears away. You cause her to relax and listen to you more closely. Ask a well structured question. When you finally get face to face with a new prospect, introduce yourself, shake hands, and begin by asking a well structured question. This is often an interesting question aimed at the benefit of what you are selling. Questions are powerful because each person is conditioned from childhood to answer questions when they are asked. People respond automatically to questions. This is end of part 55 of sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training for those who are interested. I can psychologically analyze you, find out your drawbacks, and take corrective action so that you become the best. Thank you and good day.